My name is Shreya Biswal and today I am presenting my Pregrad project in the domain of data science and analytics. The title of my project is Cells Prediction and Multiple Linear Regression Model. The main objective of this project is to develop a machine learning model that predicts sales based on advertising expenditure across three media channels, TV, radio and newspaper. For my project, I have used an advertising dataset which contains 200 records. It is clean and there is no missing values, which makes it suitable for analysis. So I have followed data science workflow throughout the project, starting from data loading, then data inspection, then exploratory data analysis, model building, feature selection, model evaluation, model diagnostic, and interaction effect analysis. Now I will be briefly explaining each step of my project, starting from importing required libraries. I have imported pandas and numpy for data handling, matplotlib and seaborn for data visualization, and scikit-learn for building and evaluating multiple linear regression models. In the second step, I loaded the advertising dataset into pandas data frame using the read CSV function. To understand the dataset, I displayed the first 5 records using head function and the last 5 records using the tail function. And then I checked the dataset dimension using sef function. Then info function to verify all the variables are numerical. And there is no missing values. I also use the scry function to obtain the statistical analysis. Then finally I checked for missing values using null function and confirming that the dataset is clean and ready for analysis. So in the third step, I created scatter plots, then a pair plot, and a correlation heat map. So to understand the relationship between the features and cells, the analysis showed that advertising has the strongest positive relationship with cell, followed by radio advertising, and then the newspaper has the weakest impact. Then in the step 4, I selected TV, radio and newspaper as the independent variables and cells as the dependent variable. So then I split the dataset into 80% training and 20% testing sets and trained a multiple linear regression model. Then come to the fifth step, where feature selection. I compared different combinations of features using the R-square score. The results showed that a TV and radio contribute significantly to predicting cells, while newspapers only have a minor contributions. So next, in the sixth step, I evaluated the model using RMSE and R-square score. A lower RMSE and higher R-square score indicate better prediction accuracy. The model using all three features achieved the best performance. In the seventh step, I analyzed the residuals using diagnostic plots. Here, like the actual cells versus the predicted cells. Here is the plot 2, which is the residual plot, and here is the distribution of residuals. The residuals were randomly distributed around 0, indicating the model fits the data well and generalizes effectively to unseen data. Then in the eighth step, it is an interaction effect analysis, where I created an interaction feature called TV radio to study the combined effect of TV and radio advertising. Including this feature slightly improved the model prediction performance, showing these two advertising channels work well together. So in conclusion, TV is the most influential advertising channel, followed by radio, while newspaper has the least impact on